Hello everyone, this is Mohammed again from Frontier Chrysler. Hope you guys are doing wonderful. Today I'm really excited to show you this 1928 Plymouth Classic, which comes in two dual colors, green and black. Walking through, it has a wooden steering and a original alloys, well maintained in clean body style and good shape. Coming forward, there is a storage box which can be used for the storage area. Let's walk you through in the interior of this beauty. That comes in the green color interior cloth seats with the wooden steering. Beautiful. So this Plymouth 1928 is for sale, and we are looking for someone who really want to take care of it as it is right now, and the previous owner has been taking care. Do call us at 250-847-4266 or visit at a dealership to get more details for this. Thank you.